Drawing the muscular female body, a stoic reflection on strength and grace. My fellow artists and philosophers, today we undertake the profound and delicate task of drawing the muscular female body. It is a task that invites us to contemplate not just the physical form, but the strength, grace, and dignity that this figure represents. In Stoicism, we do not separate the body from the mind or the soul. Instead, we understand that the body reflects the virtues we cultivate: discipline, resilience, and fortitude. As we draw the muscular female form, we are not merely sketching anatomy. We are expressing a deeper truth about strength and the harmony of body and character. Let us begin by contemplating the foundation of the form: strength. In our society, strength is often misunderstood as brute force, something external and purely physical. But as Stoics, we understand strength in a different light. Seneca reminds us that true happiness is to enjoy the present, without anxious dependence upon the future. The muscular female body before us is a testament to that very principle. Strength is not something achieved in a single moment, but something built over time, through discipline, consistency, and persistence. Every muscle we draw represents not just physical power, but a commitment to growth, resilience in the face of struggle, and the patient work of self-cultivation. As we begin to sketch the contours of the body, consider the lines of the shoulders and the back. These areas symbolize both physical strength and the ability to carry burdens with grace. The shoulders of the Stoic woman do not slump under pressure, nor are they tense with frustration. They are upright, broad, and open, representing the ability to stand tall even when life throws its challenges her way. Marcus Aurelius tells us, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." The muscularity of the shoulders is not just a reflection of external power, but of an internal resilience, the power to remain unshaken in the face of adversity. Next, we turn to the arms. The arms of the Stoic woman are strong, capable, and purposeful. Epictetus teaches us, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." These arms represent that very principle. They are the instruments of action, built not by chance, but by deliberate effort. As you draw the biceps and triceps, remember that these muscles are not only the result of physical exertion, but of the Stoic virtue of discipline. They reflect the ability to take purposeful action in life, to face challenges head-on, and to act with intention. There is no wasted movement, no frivolous display. The arms of the Stoic woman act only when necessary, but when they do, they act with strength and precision. As you move to the torso, consider the core of the body, the abs, the obliques, the muscles that support her frame. These muscles are central, not just to the physical structure, but to the Stoic philosophy itself. Seneca tells us, "It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that they are difficult." The core represents this idea of inner strength, the center from which all action flows. In life, as in drawing, the foundation must be strong and steady. The muscular female core symbolizes balance, stability, and the ability to remain grounded even when the world around her is in chaos. These muscles are not simply decorative, they are functional, a testament to the strength that comes from within. Let us now turn our attention to the legs, the pillars of the body. The legs of the Stoic woman are powerful, capable of carrying her forward with determination and grace. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. The legs are symbolic of this forward motion. No obstacle can stop the Stoic woman from moving toward her goal. Every muscle in the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves represents not just the ability to stand firm, but the power to move forward with purpose, to push through difficulty, and to advance in the face of resistance. As you draw the legs, think about the stability they provide, the way they support not just the body, but the virtues she embodies. The muscular female body is not just a symbol of raw power, it is also a reflection of grace. In every movement, there is a harmony between strength and elegance. As you draw the lines of the figure, remember that Stoicism teaches us to find balance in all things. Marcus Aurelius tells us, "Nothing happens to anyone that he is not fitted by nature to bear." The female body, strong and muscular, is fitted by nature to bear both physical and emotional challenges. Her strength is not harsh or rigid, it is flexible, adaptive, and enduring. In the subtle curves of her muscles, we see not just force, but the beauty of resilience, the ability to bend without breaking, to endure without losing one's sense of self. As you move to the finer details, the hands, the feet, the face, consider how each part of the body reflects the Stoic principles of action and acceptance. The hands of the Stoic woman are steady, capable of both creating and protecting. They are hands that have built strength through effort, but they are also hands that know when to rest, when to release control, and when to accept things as they are. Epictetus teaches us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. The hands you draw are symbols of this wisdom. They do not grasp at what they cannot control, but they are always ready to act when action is necessary. The face of the Stoic woman is calm, composed, and reflective of the inner peace that comes from accepting life as it is. In her expression, we do not see tension or fear. Instead, we see the quiet confidence of someone who has faced challenges and has grown stronger because of them. Her gaze is steady, looking forward, not back, and focused on the present moment. She understands, as Marcus Aurelius did, that the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Her thoughts are disciplined, her emotions balanced, and her face reflects the serenity that comes from living in accordance with reason and virtue. As you complete your drawing, take a step back and reflect on the figure you have created. The muscular female body before you is not just a representation of physical strength, but of Stoic virtue. Every muscle, every line, is a reminder of the discipline it takes to build strength, the patience it takes to endure challenges, and the grace it takes to move through life with dignity. This body, strong and resilient, is a reflection of the Stoic understanding that true strength comes from within. In drawing the muscular female form, you are not just capturing the outward appearance of strength. You are honoring the inner virtues that make strength meaningful. Patience, perseverance, and grace. These are the qualities that define the Stoic woman, and they are the qualities we strive to reflect in our own lives. As artists and Stoics, our goal is not perfection in form, but excellence in effort. In every line we draw, we practice the virtues of discipline and resilience, knowing that the process of creation is itself a reflection of the Stoic path. This speech connects the process of drawing the muscular female body with Stoic virtues such as discipline, resilience, and grace. It emphasizes that the physical form is not just a symbol of strength, but a reflection of inner character and perseverance. The muscular body becomes an embodiment of Stoic wisdom, teaching us about balance, purpose, and endurance in both art and life. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the Hildebrand Lifestyle channel for more updates.